Okay, what we have here is a 30-inch Meadows mill built in 1949. I bought it about 1979 and operated it through the summer seasons at craft shows and flea markets, grinding cornmeal and wheat. Did a beautiful job. I pulled it with a 10-horse M International. When I first looked at this mill in the mid-70s, it looked like it was brand spanking new. They had took it out of the mill building, stored it, and then moved it outside for a couple of years. Of course, that didn't do it any good, but you could read all of the decals and the print on it. The price is $2,500. If you're interested, I can haul it to Portland in August 2010. You can reply to this YouTube.